All right, we're working on the fundamental counting principle, which is a new concept in statistics for you guys. We are working a little bit in statistics in lesson 5.5, and I'm sorry, 15.5 and chapter 15. Our essential question is, can you apply the counting methods to solve problems? Most of you guys have seen this before. It says Pat's Pizza Palace will prepare pizza with thin crust, thick crust, or deep dish style. So they're talking about the crust being thin, thick, or deep dish. And then it tells us that there are 8 choices of toppings. And how many ways can you choose a one-topping pizza? Well, if I have 3 different options of crust and 8 different options of toppings, I multiply those and I get 24 different ways. Let's look at example 2. Joe has 5 different colored shirts to wear to school during the week and 3 different color shorts. How many different outfits can Joe wear to school each week? So he has 5 shirts and 3 shorts. 5 and 3 is 15 different outfits. So the counting principle is just that. We are counting. I have 5 different colored shirts, and those can all be matched with 3. So a lot of people like to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is probably how you did it in elementary school. You had to like draw it out. Do you remember doing that? And that's where we get 15 different ways. All right. The next question says, how many license plates of 2 symbols? So you have letters and you have digits. Well, you have to have some knowledge of how many letters there are. There are 26 letters. How many digits are there? Remember, digits are just 0 through 9. 10 is a 2-digit number, so digits would just be 10 because we're going from 0 to 9. There are 10 different digits. Can be made using at least 1 letter in each. So I just need 1 letter. So we know that with the letter being first, if it was letter in digits, we would have 260 different ways. But remember that we could also have those digits first and then the letter, and that's another 260. So we actually have 520 different ways with 1 letter and 1 digit. So that's with the letter first or the letter second. But remember that we can also have, so it says that there has to be at least 1 letter. Our next option is I could have just letter and no number, no digits. So if I multiply 26 times 26, I get 676. So you actually have to add all of that up. And there are 1,196 different license plates for this. All right, so keep working on your counting principles. Try to put them together. We're going to move into combinations and permutations in a little bit.